Good morning, I'm Matthew with Widen. We're based in Madison, Wisconsin. And I'm going to introduce this by asking a question that nobody has asked before, what we feel is a critical question, and that's who has the best acronym in this software space. There's dozens, potentially hundreds of acronyms. Give you a few samples here. You've got SFA, WCM, I'll splash a few more up here, and WTF, right? I get that from my wife sometimes in a text message. I'm not quite sure what it means yet, but I'll figure it out. But we know it's not a software acronym. But Widen would argue that the acronym in our industry is the best because we get to say this word a lot, damn. Damn. And we like, it doesn't get old for us. It never gets old for us, and we like to see the enthusiasm from our customer base talking about the damn project, and we're going to work on the damn meeting. It's great. It's a great acronym to use. So I'm going to tell you about what this damn thing is. The damn thing is the management and distribution of digital media. Widen's focus here is in creative and marketing files. So we're dealing with a mass amount of images and video and audio, things that creative users are using, a lot of marketing people that use. And what we do is we create a central location for all these things, and then marketing channels worldwide tap into this central library of these digital assets and repurpose them. And that's essentially what digital asset management is. So why is Widen so damn good? Well, what we do is we define the last S in SaaS, because you're going to hear a lot of technology stuff here today, but what I don't want you to miss is what software as a service means. Service is equally, if not more important than the technology itself. Widen has created programs specifically for service. We were started in 1948. So we would be probably one of the oldest companies at this event and even in the SaaS world. 1948. We've progressed to this point. We started as a service organization. We continued into a service culture even when we were deploying software. We never thought to deploy or give somebody else software. It never made sense to us. Customers want the benefit of the software, not all the stuff that goes with it. So we've created programs that help define this, that help differentiate this. And one example of those programs is one we just released, Widen 25, which is a commitment to response times from dial to voice in 25 seconds, from chat initiation to Widen Help Desk in 25 seconds, full email responses in 25 minutes. So commitments to these types of things are important because customers want you to be there when they've got a question or they've got a problem or they need some help. So talking to people out of our headquarters in Madison, Wisconsin is of critical importance. We also use the damn stats, another big thing with SaaS companies. And here's a cartoon, I believe that the quote goes to Mark Twain, but lies, damn lies, and statistics. This particular company is looking for somebody with all three characteristics. But what we sit on is a gold mine of data. You have an aggregate of all this information. What are you going to do with it? As a service organization, how are you going to help your customer base with this? I'll tell you what we've done. We've created ratios. Financial statements have ratios. People use ratios all the time. One of the key benefits of digital asset management is repurposing assets. How many times can you repurpose a file throughout your marketing channel so you get more value from the original investment that you placed in that asset? So we put together a repurposing ratio. There's more ratios that we've got. And that repurposing ratio helps give our customers insight into where they are relative to our other customers. So we may have a customer that has a repurposing ratio of 10. So for every file that they've got in our DAM systems, they repurpose it 10 times. Well, the rest of the customer base may be at a repurposing rate of 15 or 20. So we can help go back to that customer and say, we think that you could do a few things differently to get more value out of your digital assets. That's part of the service. That's part of the last S in SaaS. So using these stats and making plays in the market with these stats helps you differentiate in that space and helps your customers realize what they could be doing differently because they all have the same question, what is everybody else doing? And you as a service provider can help propel that. Thank you for your time. I'm Matthew. Here's my contact information. Feel free to give me a call or email me with any questions. I'll be roaming around by the coffee station first. So, thank you.